Does this look familiar? A pile of brooms, mops, and tools scattered everywhere? Don't worry, you're not alone. But what if I told you there's a simple, stylish solution that transforms this mess into home decor? Stick around because today we're talking about the broom holder and wall mount garden tool organizer. Let's face it, clutter isn't just an eyesore, it's stressful. Whether it's cleaning supplies taking over your kitchen or garden tools scattered in the shed, unorganized spaces can slow you down and ruin your productivity. But guess what? The Berry Avenue broom holder is here to save the day. It's not just a tool organizer, it's a game changer. Say hello to the Berry Avenue broom holder and wall mount garden tool organizer, your new best friend in home organization. With 11 storage spots, 5 slots for brooms and mops and 6 extra hooks, this wall mount can tidy up even the messiest spaces. From mops and rakes to shovels and even baseball bats, this organizer can handle it all. Plus, it's a real space saver, turning your cleaning supplies into a part of your home decor. This isn't just about storage, it's about style. Whether in your kitchen, garage, or garden shed, the Berry Avenue broom holder makes any space look clean, organized, and functional. Thanks to its weatherproof design, this tool organizer works just as well outdoors for garden tools as it does indoors for cleaning supplies. Here's the best part, no more slipping tools. The spring-loaded, double rubber grips ensure that even wet mops or heavy rakes stay firmly in place. Each slot holds up to 35 pounds, so you can trust it to keep your items safe and sound. Not great with tools? No worries. The Berry Avenue organizer comes with all the screws and anchors you need, plus step-by-step instructions, even a video guide. You'll have it up and ready in minutes. Seriously, it's that easy. Still on the fence? Let me break it down. Declutter your space, say goodbye to mess and hello to organization. Save time, no more hunting for tools, you'll know exactly where they are. Versatile and durable, it works indoors, outdoors, and holds up to tough use. Stylish and practical, it's not just functional, it's decor-worthy. Whether you're tidying up your home, garage, or garden shed, this organizer has got your back. Ready to transform your space? Click the link in the description to grab your very own Berry Avenue broom holder today. Trust me, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. And here's the kicker, Berry Avenue stands behind their product. If you have any issues, their friendly after-sales team is ready to help. So, what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to clutter and hello to organization with the Berry Avenue broom holder and wall mount garden tool organizer. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe our channel, and hit that bell icon for more amazing home hacks and product reviews. Until next time, keep your space clean and your tools handy.